Hello and welcome. This is a SUNY Coby News Update. I'm Lakeisha Wright. We're coming to you from the production studio on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. Thanks for joining us. SUNY Cobleskill's Residential Life Office and Office of Student Leadership are presenting their 8th annual 5K Tiger Run. The run will take place on Sunday, April 28th at 10 o'clock a.m. The Tiger Run raises money as part of Autism Awareness Month. Residential Life will donate the money raised to the Action Behavior Foundation of Schoharie and Cobleskill Village. Residential Life invites all residents of Schoharie County to participate in the Tiger Run. For registration, search 5K Color Run at cobleskill.edu. Registration is $20 per person and $40 if you're participating with a group of 4. Check-in for the Tiger Run will be located at the SUNY Cobleskill Fieldhouse beginning at 9 o'clock a.m. If you have any questions regarding the Tiger Run, please contact Bill Lee at lee2@cobleskill.edu. Up next, SUNY Coby News reporter Kevon Barrett gives us a brief overview of how Games of Plunder, the local video gaming store here in town, manages despite being a small business.
That's right, Lakeisha. Games of Plunder has been part of the Cobleskill community for quite some time now, and it's been able to maintain itself despite the challenges that may come with it. Local businesses like Games of Plunder here in Cobleskill tend to operate a bit differently than your typical big business. State laws, municipal regulation, and inflation can all have an effect on the business, bottom line. Michael Woolman is the store owner and manager of the locally owned video gaming store, Games of Plunder, here in Cobleskill. Woolman reveals the key to longevity for Games of Plunder as a small business, as well as how inflation and digital interactive games have made it a bit tough to do business in the constantly evolving video gaming market.
So we still carry the physical games for as long as they exist, including the older games. So we still continue to buy and sell them because there's still people who are interested in them. And given where we live, even just a couple miles outside of town, you may not have steady internet access to be able to play and stream the newest games solely digitally.
While Woolman says that serving traditional console gamer is important in a rural area as Cobleskill, high-speed internet access is critical to the future of gaming.
Even with the new games coming out and people buying more digitally, you still can't play them without the physical systems and controllers and other accessories that go with that.
Communication major Johnny Simpson says he appreciates the convenience Games of Plunder brings to the community. Simpson says he sold one of his gaming consoles to the store, something he could have easily done online.
I've sold my PlayStation there, I've sold my Wii there, and I've bought a PlayStation 5 controller. I was able to find what I needed from that store at a very reasonable price.
Despite the transition to a more digital gaming industry, Games of Plunder believe that they have the resources to compete with the current gaming market. Reporting outside of Games of Plunder, I'm Kevon Barrett. And with warmer months approaching, Games of Plunder will continue to be a unique resource to the Cobleskill community with its store offerings.
Thanks, Kevon, for that update. SUNY Cobleskill's new emergency food pantry is now accepting donations. Schoharie County residents are welcomed and asked to make donations as well as drop-offs, which will be located in Bauck Hall lobby. The food pantry is in need of these items, such as granola bars, peanut butter, coffee, candy goods, and more. Hygiene items are also recommended like toothpaste, toothbrushes, soap, deodorant, shampoo, and conditioner. If you're looking to donate different items to the Schoharie County regions, there are options. Other local food pantries available for donation are the Catholic Charities of Schoharie County, the Schoharie County Community Action Program, and St. Paul's Lutheran Church. If you have any questions regarding SUNY Cobleskill's new emergency food pantry, reach out to Mary Irving at 518-2555-126. SUNY Cobleskill's Multicultural Education Center is looking for donations for the local Cobleskill Animal Shelter. Donation boxes are located in Bauck Hall in the front of the Unity Center. Donations are open to students as well as Schoharie County residents. The donations will be going to the local animal shelter. Some needed supplies are pet food and treats, as well as bedding, linens, and towels. Other essentials include cleaning supplies such as bleach, paper towels, and trash bags. The center also asks for any unused office supplies to utilize at the animal shelter's front desk. Toys are also a great donation for the animals living in the shelter. May is approaching, which means SUNY Coby will be hosting its 106th annual commencement ceremony, taking place on Saturday, May 18th at 11 o'clock a.m. All families and friends are invited to celebrate with faculty, staff, and our fellow graduates as they take the stage. Animal behavioral scientist and autism advocate Dr. Temple Garden will be delivering the commencement keynote and receiving the honorary doctorate from SUNY Coby's president, Marian Terenzio. For graduates who have not yet purchased regalia, it is still available for purchase at the SUNY Cobleskill College store located in Bauk Hall. For those graduating with a bachelor's degree, the cost of regalia will be $125. Anyone graduating with an associate's degree will be purchasing regalia for $85. For any questions regarding commencement, visit the Office of Campus Events and Conferences located in Knapp Hall, room 212, or email commencement@cobleskill.edu. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here on the SUNY Cobleskill campus. Stay with us.
No cell phone service, no television or internet connections, no electricity, and in some DEC Adirondack campgrounds, no roads either. Forked Lake is just one of the 52 campgrounds that you can explore in the Adirondack Mountains of New York State. This facility is a primitive camping experience. Each site is outfitted with just the basics. You've got to hike trails or paddle a canoe to get to each site, putting you right in the middle of the area's natural beauty. Too rustic for you? That's okay. The DEC offers a wide variety of experiences, including island camping, tent and trailer sites with electricity and running water, boat launch facilities, hiking trails, beaches, and more. And it's all just a click away. To find out more and to start planning for your next Adirondack adventure, log on to www.dec.ny.gov. You'll find all the information you need to start enjoying the great Adirondack outdoors in upstate New York.
Welcome back to this edition of SUNY Coby Update. I'm Lakeisha Wright. SUNY Coby's Van Wagner Library presents their Share Shop. Students, faculty, and staff can get free items and donate items as well to the Share Shop. The Share Shop includes clothes, kitchen decor items, school supplies, and more. The Share Shop is a way for the campus to maintain sustainability, with generous donations choosing secondhand keeps, items out of landfills, donating to the Share Closet, and utilizing the Share Closet is reducing emissions, saving water, and building community. The Share Closet is located in Library Suite 109. The closet is available during library hours. For any questions regarding the Share Shop, be sure to contact Karina Benninger, Director of Sustainability and Compliance, at sustainability@cobleskill.edu. The Best Buddies International Organization is a volunteer movement amongst young peers. The organization works with a large number of school systems from elementary to college level. The program aims to create one-on-one friendships among students to create inclusive and leadership experiences for all. Best Buddies provide students the opportunity to endure leadership development and integrated employment. Meaningful friendships stem from the Best Buddies organization by providing partnership to students with special abilities to feel empowered and recognized for their endeavors. The Best Buddies organization is also accessible in Schoharie County. Schoharie Junior and Senior High School have a partnership with Best Buddies and SUNY Cobleskill. Both institutions in Schoharie County host events to inform students and parents about the organization's mission. Any individual looking to participate in Best Buddies, whether for volunteer purposes or meeting a peer, is welcome to join a local chapter. For more information regarding Best Buddies, be sure to check out their webpage at www.bestbuddies.com. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby Update. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill, including details on our new agriculture communications program, visit cobleskill.edu today. You can also find the SUNY Cobleskill communications program on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Just search for SUNY Coby Com. Once again, I'm Lakeisha Wright, and we'll see you again on the next edition of SUNY Coby News.